Coach Brian here, the call to rise. Today, Levi drove again. He drives every day. And then I take over, drive home, get the other kids. 3 other kids go to middle school. All right, after this, an hour and a half of school activities, which is just part of being a father. Today, we were talking about integrity as a person, as a man. What he does in one way, he should be doing in other ways. How we do one thing is how we do everything. And that's what we talked about. He does amazing in school. The kids basically straight A's, a B here and there. Never have to deal with any type of school issues or homework or whatever. He just knocks it out, and it's a non-issue. It's just amazing. I'm grateful because homework can be a big challenge. He is an athlete. He gets up, shows up, does the thing. He plays soccer. He swims. He's respectful to humans, to adults. He's kind, and he connects with other friends. But he won't put his laundry away when asked, or he just doesn't do that one chore here and there, or when he'll play Fortnite and he'll get upset over something happens. And that's where I'm calling him out. I'm so calling him out all the time. How we do one thing, Levi, is how we do everything. And if you playing this game gets you so riled and upset when you get killed in the game or something, and then you get really upset, that's not it. That's not how you do life. We're looking for you to be a man of integrity when you get older. And that also is about trust. When you do all these things amazing, and then you go run and jump off a cliff and do this one thing just out of character, I can't trust you in other areas. I can't trust you to drive a car. I can't trust you to go to work. I can't trust you because he just got qualified to be a lifeguard. I can't trust you to, he wants to go on a summer swim program down in Florida for a week and a half or something. I can't trust him if he can't just do these basic things and not just drag it out. And someone might think that may or may not be hard, but I've been dealing with Levi putting laundry away for 15 years. So when he could put it away. So let's say a good 10, Levi. Okay. I want this guy to be an amazing, well-balanced, well-rounded, likable, lovable person. And it's those little incremental things. And so, men, if you're doing one thing amazing, say work, say your family, most importantly, but there's this little thing here, this little thing in your body isn't where it needs to be. Either you're 20, 30, 50 pounds overweight, have medicine to deal with diabetes or something. We're not that whole person anymore. You're driving around a car with 3 wheels full go and the other one's a flat tire, and you can't go very fast. So integrity, how you do one thing is how you do everything. I'll leave it at that. Have a great morning.